Careful. So where you want to push on the car is here on the pillar. Pillar is best, like this. Push here, push against here. Try not to push on the door. Don't push on the door because it's easy to wreck the door. Another good way is if you put the back window down, you can push against this pillar here with the door closed, or this area here. Like on this car, it has this thing. You could push here along the strong parts, okay? And then you want to watch out. You don't want to trip. If you trip, you're going to get run over by your own car. And you want to put the seat back a little bit more so you can jump in easily but still reach the pedal. So you're still going to have to press the pedal all the way down to the floor and let go of it. So you don't want to push the seat back too far, okay? So you jump in, and I think in this case I'm probably going to hit the pedal with my right foot, maybe my right foot, and then bam, out. Okay, you have very limited time because the car's gonna want to like come to a stop, so you have to do it all before the car comes to a stop, and it's not going that fast. So yeah, so let's give it a shot and try. And if your starter motor doesn't work or if your battery's dead, this is how to do it. You might have to try a couple of times, and it's quite tiring, so don't hurt yourself. Okay, lights are off. Let's see if we can push this car. Okay, so we're pushing the car. So we gotta do it again. Gotta push it a little